Damp-Proof Flex has the EVERLOOP feature. This means it is possible to conveniently replace both the light source and the driver. Now, I would like to show you how we replace these components. Let's first replace the light source. Turn this screw 90 degrees to access the light source. Pull out the tray. Open up the light source tray and pull this out. Loosen the screw to remove the cap and disconnect the connector. Slide out the light source from the tray. Slide in the replacement light source. Reconnect the connector. Reattach the end cap with the screw. Insert the tray back into the luminaire and close up the end cap. Now, let's replace the driver. Open the end cap. Open the screw and slide out the tray. Loosen the two screws so that the metal fastener can be moved. Slide the metal fastener back to release the driver and disconnect the electrical wires. Connect the electrical wires to the new driver and slide it into metal fastener back in place to lock the driver in. Retighten both screws on the metal fastener. Insert the tray back into the luminaire and close up the end cap with the twist and lock mechanism.